restful night there, and then we had a big drive. We came up all the way up the one here, past Mulegé. Then we crossed over and we went about halfway to San Ignacio. And they had a beautiful old mission church there. And then we stayed by a river, lake. It had some great natural wildlife. This is the town of San Ignacio. It's a really pretty town square. And this looks like a really old church over here. And then they got a little restaurant and a little town center over here where they probably do gatherings and stuff. It's very nice. I love looking at architect, older stuff. It's nice. Now look at these stairs. It's been here a while. Wow. Really nice. You can smell the flowers. It's so pretty.
The mission was built and discovered by Jesuit Francisco Maria Piccolo in 1716. The place was known by the local Indians as Catacamain, word in Kachimi language meaning stream of reeds. And during the 19th century, the indigenous population disappeared. So in 1733, the Jesuits started building the church, and they built 2 bell towers. But they were expelled in 1768, and they were gone. And I guess they were expelled because the father that was in charge of this was really cruel to the Indians of the area. Imagine that. And about 4 years later, the Franciscans came in. A Franciscan padre came in and turned the mission over, took it over. And then some years later, maybe a year or two later, they turned it over to the Dominicans. And anyway, they took care of the place and built it and finished it out. And there's some dormitories here that were actually dormitories for the soldiers. And I guess back in those days, the church must have been funding the soldiers to come through here and try to civilize the native people. But anyway, pretty neat.
Didn't Spain finish it?
Yeah, the Queen of Spain actually provided the funds to finish the church.
Wow. And orphans
and orphans and widows got to live here in these dormitories in later years after these soldiers moved out.
There's the bell tower, and then the stairs. Well, it looks like they... Oh, you went up there. You're crazy. Okay, you went up there. Oh, okay. Looks like they've stuck out to try to keep some of it up. Camping spot next to the river. It's really, really nice. Trees and ducks. All kinds of really nice campers. I don't know if you can hear it, but those are the bullfrogs in the background making all that racket. Crazy, huh? Look at him go. This is Mike's campground. The owner's right here, making sure everything's good. And they have facilities over here. So it's pretty nice. How you like this place? How's your back? Mark tweaked his back hiking up that tail this morning, so he's not doing too good. We need to go find a hot tub or massage for you. Poor babies. Oh, here's Jake. Hi, Jake. What are you doing? He went for a boat ride. Oh, he peeked out. He's been to the RTR. RTR guy. He gave us a couple of stickers. Really nice. And his little kitty Derek. There's Derek. Went for a canoe ride today.